Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving St. Claude Avenue in New Orleans. We filmed a video here 2 years ago, but heading in the opposite direction. This time we begin in Arabi, entering into the New Orleans city limits, and we pass through Jackson Barracks, the headquarters of the Louisiana National Guard. Here, St. Claude Avenue forms the boundary between the Holy Cross and the Lower Ninth Ward neighborhoods. You can look in our recent videos for a more comprehensive driving tour of these neighborhoods, or pull up the New Orleans Neighborhoods playlist. As we cruise through the neighborhood, we'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of our viewers for watching and subscribing, especially those of you who participated in our impromptu live stream on May 6th. Right now, we have a special offer for anyone who joins our Facebook group. A couple of months back, we had some 504 Road Trips window stickers made, and right now, anyone who's a member of the 504 Road Trips fan group on Facebook can send us a PM with a mailing address and get one of these fine window stickers free of charge. Just go to www.facebook.com/groups/504roadtrips and request to join the group. There's a pinned post with instructions on how to privately contact us with your mailing information. And in the event that you outright refuse to use Facebook, you can send us an email at 504roadtrips@gmail.com to request a sticker, or send a self-addressed stamped number 10 envelope to Promotions Manager, P.O. Box 1424, Gretna, Louisiana 70054. We also want to remind our viewers that we have a Patreon account, and if you're feeling generous, we'd appreciate any donations, no matter how small, to help defray the cost of making these videos. Here we reach the end of the Lower Ninth Ward at the St. Claude Avenue Drawbridge. The gate is going down, but the bridge isn't going up. It must have been a false alarm, or maybe the ship decided to turn around and go the other way, as if such a thing was possible. I often wonder if they do this sometimes just to mess with people. This bridge is one of two major obstacles on St. Claude Avenue that makes a short trip take a long time. We'll see the other one in a few minutes. Ahead are the Press Street tracks owned by the Norfolk Southern Railroad. This is the second major obstacle on St. Claude Avenue, as trains often cross here and stop, moving back and forth as they drop off train cars in a nearby rail yard. We got lucky today. Most people opt for Claiborne Avenue for this trip, just a few blocks north of here, since there's a viaduct over the tracks and a much taller drawbridge over the industrial canal that doesn't have to be raised as often. As we cross Elysian Fields Avenue, the newly finished St. Claude Streetcar line is visible in the median, or neutral ground as we like to call it. As the median narrows, the streetcar tracks run in the left lane of the street on each side of the median. This connects with the Canal Street line several blocks ahead. Here, St. Claude Avenue briefly becomes McShane Place as we shift directions and join North Rampart Street. Here we can see one of the red and yellow streetcars. These are modern replicas of the antique Pearly Thomas streetcars found on the St. Charles Avenue line. After crossing Dryad Street, we can see a lot of new development along Rampart Street, where at one time this street was mostly lined with surface parking lots. At Howard Avenue, Rampart Street becomes Dryad Street, or perhaps Aretha Castle Haley Boulevard, depending on which map you're looking at. Most of the street has been named for Aretha Castle Haley, but some maps indicate that this block still retains the original name of Dryads. We conclude our drive at Calliope Street under the Pontchartrain Expressway, which carries US Highway 90 business. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.